Kamiranda, what have happened to CZ in 2 minutes? Number 1, CZ po ay nag-pled ng guilty after confirming kahapon ng group of government departments sa press conference alas 4 po ng umaga kanina in the Philippines time.
We are here today to announce that the Justice Department has secured felony guilty pleas from the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance.
Oh no.
And from its founder and CEO, Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ.
Ongoing discussion is around $4 billion worth of fine, which is the highest according doon sa press conference for any corporate in America to be able to be meted that particular issue or fine. Okay, ano mangyayari? So, meron na pong bagong CEO, si Binance, to the tune of Richard Teng. Siya po ay executive dyan in Binance. According sa tweet ni CZ, marami po siyang mga sinabi na at least wala naman po napatunayan na malversation of funds in Binance. Wala daw po nakitang misuse of funds. However, it's his decision to move on. Isa sa mga tanong na kailangan ko dapat sinagot sa press conference kahapon is, makukulong ba si CZ? Ito po ay inilagan ng mga tao doon sa press conference. Wala pong sumagot ng tanong na yan. In fact, ang sinabi po nila that the fines is the highest. Ito po yung pinakamalaki daw in the history of America, and hanggang doon talaga sila tumigil. They did not even confirm if CZ is gonna be in the jail or not. And in the tweet of CZ, sinabi po niya na the next step sa kanya is gonna be an investor, is gonna be at the background. Wala po siyang sinabing criminal prosecution or behind the bars. Ano pong dapat gawin natin bilang isang trader? Guys, if you're gonna be asking me, do I need to remove my funds in Binance? That's not the right question. You're asking the wrong question. The question is, am I diversified enough? Whether mangyari yung CZ na yan or kahit anumang exchanges, BingX, Bybit, Binance, whatsoever, kapag hindi ka makatulog, kung ang pera mo ay nasa isang basket lamang at hindi ka makatulog, maaaring meron pong mali inyong diversification. So the straight and short and long answer is, you need to diversify. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket. Do not put it all in Binance. Do not put it all in BingX. Do not put it all in Bybit. We need to spread it out. We need to spread our investments, not just in crypto, also in banks, in mutual funds and insurance, etc. More to come on that. Watch our live for tonight. And this is Coach Miranda Manor, and I love you 3000.